Hello all, welcome back to Data Science Brain. In the previous video, we have seen how to handle missing data in a data frame. In this video, we will see how to handle duplicate data in a data frame. So let's get started. So first let us import pandas. Import pandas as PD. You have learned this in the previous video, so you should know how to do all these things. It's simple. And control enter and it will run. Just connecting now. And by the time, let us make a data frame for teaching purposes. Let us make a dummy data frame that has duplicate values. Okay, let us say name is name. Let us name has John. Let's say Deepak. Let's say Jos. Let's say mm, Harsha. Say John again. So that's the duplicate. Okay, let's say Josley. Okay, so this has duplicate value which is John, right? So let's create another one more column which is age column that it has value like, let's say 22, 23, 22, 24, 25, 26. Let's say 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, so let us create a data frame using this data. Let's say df is equal to pd dot data frame. You have know this function from the previous video, how to the function to create a data frame from a dictionary. uh, this will be, these two will be the columns and this will be the values, okay, for each for these two columns. So you know this from the previous video. So data frame, we have created a data frame and let us run this and see it. Df. Okay, we can see we have a data frame with two columns, name and age, and name column has a duplicate value which is John. Okay, so let us first see the code that allows us to identify the duplicate values. Okay, so this is the code. We can use duplicated to duplicated values is equal to df dot duplicated. Okay, okay, so let us print this and see if there is any duplicate value. So this will return true or false. Okay. Oh, okay. Interestingly, it all returned false. Let's see what we made a mistake. There is duplication. Oh, okay. We have put the age as different. So listen. So this will only return true if the complete row is duplicated. Okay, not just one value in a row. The complete row, if it's duplicated, then only it will return true. Okay, and that makes sense, right? Because a duplicate entry means, the complete, every single information must be the same. Okay, just because there are two Johns doesn't mean that it's a duplication, right? There will be two people in the class named John, but their age must be different or ID must be different, right? It can happen. So only if every single column value is same for both rows, it will return duplicate. Okay, so let us change that. Let us make the age the same for John, both Johns. I think it was I think we did it. And see, yeah, John 22, John 22. Okay, now this will return true. This will return true for the fourth row. It has found a duplicate in fourth row. Okay, so that's how we find a duplicate value. Now let us see how we can deal with removing the duplicated values. Okay, we can use this same method for removing as well. We can say we can create let's say um, df, or let's say unique df. Okay, and let us like take all the duplicated values. So basically we are saying like not this. Okay, so this will return rows that has only true values. So this is a tilde symbol. This means, we are negating all the values in here. So false will become, all the false will become true and the true will become false. So what this actually does is that, it's a boolean indexing. So we pass in some boolean values here and this will return only the rows where the index has true values. Okay, so I will show you this what this tilde symbol does. Let us print like this. We can see it has inverted all the false to true. So this will avoid the fourth row and return all the other rows. Okay, so this is one way to remove the duplicates. We can see it has removed that duplicate row. Okay, so that's one way. Another way is by using drop duplicates function. Okay, so let us use that. Let us again let us create, let's just say, a unique df again. We can copy this and let us use df dot drop duplicate gates function, or let's say unique df2 to avoid confusion. This will also remove the duplicate values and return the array. Another function that we can use is we can use some like SQL type functions like group by. Okay, so let us say df unique. Let's use different name now. Df unique, and df unique is equal to df dot group by. Those who know SQL knows this. Columns dot to list. So basically we are grouping by the columns. Okay, that's what we are doing here. We know that in a group by statement, if you have known SQL, you can group by different like statements, like I mean different conditions, right? So here we are grouping by the column names. Okay, we are grouping by columns. So what it basically does is that it will select column name, then this value, then column age, then this value. It will group like this. Okay, John 22, then Deepak 23, like that it will group. Okay, and in as index is equal to false, we are giving this because we don't want any of these columns to be to become the index. Okay, we want to make it remain as unique columns. Okay, I mean regular columns. And this is where the thing happens. So we are selecting the first of all the groups. So John 22 is first group, Deepak 23 is another group, Josh 22 is another group, Harsha 24 is another group. So like that it will take the first combination of all the column groups. Okay, so we know that it is grouping by columns, like name and age. These are only two columns, so this will group, this will become a group. Okay, this is another group. So here once it does that, it has created this group twice, right? So this first will only take the first of all the different groups. Okay, so there are two of this same group, like John 22 is a group, this John 22 is another group. Okay, so there are two similar groups, so it will only take the first group, okay, out of these combinations. So that's what this first does. Okay, so basically we are grouping by columns. It will create John 22, Deepak 23, Josh 22, and another Harsha 24, another John 22 as well. So, and this first function will only take the first of all the groups. So John 22 will be only taken once and it will return. Okay, so this df.unique will only have one of John 22. Okay, as we can see, it has only taken the first of John 22. Okay, so that's that. Now I will show one more thing. We can also remove duplicate values based on one particular column. Okay, for example, we don't need any rows with duplicated names. Okay, let's say we are collecting a data set of unique names and we don't need any duplicate names. Okay, so we want to remove the complete data set where there is a duplicate name. Okay, we are basically collecting information about people having unique names. Okay, and we don't need, I mean in that case, particular case, we don't need any duplicate names, right? So here we are saying drop duplicates from this subset that I mean, and inside that subset we will give the column. We can give multiple columns here. We are giving only the name columns. Okay, so we are saying that we only need unique names and remove the complete row if there is a duplicate name. So this will again work similarly. It will remove the complete row if there is a duplicated name. So there was a duplicated name John and it has removed that complete row. Okay, so that's how that works. So that's all about how to deal with duplicate values in a data frame. Previous video we have seen how to deal with missing values in data frame. So you are basically learning how to clean data. Okay, so you are learning data cleaning. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like this video, if you found this as informative, kindly like, share this video with your friends and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Okay, you know that our channel is just getting started, so your support is really really valuable for us. Many more things are coming up, many more tutorials are coming. So kindly support, like, share and subscribe, and comment your thoughts. If you need any explanation on any particular topic, comment down that. Okay, thank you.